Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends, happy Ramadan. Our topic is expectancy of life after the death penalty in the legal framework of Pakistan. As you guys know, in Pakistan, death penalty is prescribed for some 8 kinds of crimes, just like murder, waging a war against the state, and rape, etc. in Pakistan Penal Code 1860, you know. However, according to the provisions of the section 382 Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, you people know, High Court of the province shall postpone the execution of sentence of death on a woman who is found to be pregnant, and may also, if it considers appropriate, commute the death sentence to the imprisonment for life in the case of any person. He has the power. And you people know, Pakistan is also a signatory to the Convention on the Rights of the Child 1989 and Convention on the Rights of the Child 1989 Article 37, and you people know, prohibiting the infliction of the sentence of death on the persons under the age of 18 years is also applicable in Pakistan, because Pakistan is the signatory of the Convention on the Rights of the Child 1989. You people know, according to the death penalty, a great mental agony begins with the accused person. And Article 37 of the Convention on the Rights of the Child 1989, a sentence of capital punishment or life imprisonment, excluding any chance of being set free, cannot be arbitrated for any crime by an individual less than 18 years of old. Therefore, in Pakistan, provisions of Section 12 of the Juvenile Justice System Ordinance 2000, which is, I feel, it is a non-obstante clause, and Section 12 of Juvenile Justice System Ordinance 2000, being the obstante clause, is enacted, which states that no child shall be awarded punishment of death. And you people know, according to the Minority Act, child including an individual not below 18 years of old. You people know. And dear friends, as far as the doctrine of expectancy of life in the criminal justice system, in the legal framework of Pakistan is concerned, in Pakistan, many condemned prisoners remained on death rows for years. You people know, and we also know many of the condemned prisoners are waiting for their deaths in the death cells and death rows for years. But it has been taken care of. It is basically, it is the humiliation and peak of humiliation, I feel, and on the face of humanity that the people which are called the condemned prisoners remained on death rows for years and years and years, waiting for their death penalty. And you people know, there are a host of cases law by the superior courts of Pakistan wherein extensive period passed in custody on death rows was taken into consideration by the superior courts of Pakistan to commute sentence of death into life imprisonment. Now it is the question, is this factor is admissible at a factor to commute the death sentence, death penalty into the life imprisonment? And you people know Dilawar Hussain case, which was reported, Dilawar Hussain versus the state, 2013 SCMR page 1582. Hassan case, Hassan and others versus the state and others, PLD 2013, Supreme Court of Pakistan page 793. Iftikhar Ahmad Khan case, Iftikhar Ahmad Khan versus Asghar Khan and others, that was reported in 2009 SCMR page 502. In hundreds of the cases, these are the leading landmark judgments. Hundreds of the cases, there are many circumstances which gives a pleasant environment, which gives the pleasant authority to the superior courts of Pakistan to commute the sentence of death into life imprisonment. And these are the landmark judgments on the doctrine of expectancy of life in the legal framework of Pakistan. Dear guys, you are learned persons, and I, being the just a layman and a little bit student of law, not much familiar with the legal framework of Pakistan in the depth. It was also taken as a relevant factor for refusing to enhance a sentence of life imprisonment into death sentence. And you people know, expectancy of life doctrine is always welcomed by the superior courts of Pakistan, and life imprisonment sentence has always been refused to transform into the death penalty. You people know, and it is a settled principle that was reported in Agha Dinal Khan versus Safar and others, and this case was reported in 2008 SCMR page 7 to 8. No. The point involved is that when a person who has undergone the life imprisonment and when he has started expecting his regained life, you people know, and please tell me, would it be proper to send him into the gallows? Would it be proper to send him for the crucifixion at the gallows? Dear friends, in a sense, significance of the right to life was emphasized, and the doctrine of expectancy of life was amplified by the August Supreme Court of Pakistan in the landmark judgment of Khalid Iqbal versus Mirza Khan, etc. And that was reported case to PLD 2015, Supreme Court of Pakistan, page 50. And this was a short discussion in the gossip manner by me in the live stream with you people about the doctrine of expectancy of life after the death penalty in the legal framework of Pakistan. And some people says, many of the people and YouTubers come on YouTube live, on Facebook live, and wasting time of the people. Dear friends, remember, I only and only come online and live at the Facebook and YouTube just for the spread of knowledge of law. I am not wasting the time of you people, not wasting the time of myself. I feel at this phase of life I will have to left some legacy of law for the forthcoming generations, for the knowledge of law. And inshallah, the time will come when Pakistani citizens will be aware of their rights, will be aware of their duties in accordance with the legal framework of Pakistan. And I have no any other motive to come on live at the Facebook or the YouTube. And it is, remember it please, it is just and just only a gossip, a gupshup, not a lecture. Just like the Bhola record from Gujarat says, hello guys, kaise ho aap? And he explains the different aspects of the social life of Pakistan. And I make the topic of gossip on the legal frameworks and the constitutional issues of Pakistan. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.